Give me food, you fat bastard!
Mr. Steal Your Girl Man.
Come with me, and you will never go hungry again.
The lion sleeps tonight. Cat naps while the other two fight.
I'm sitting like a human. Der.
Big brother, why are you picking on me, you fat fuck?
Shut up, you little fucking kid, otherwise I'll bop you in the face. Ow! Knock it off.
Try it, asshole. I got your number.
I fucking love this scratching post. It's fucking amazing for my claws. It must die.
Human, you home. I eat now. I shut the door, you cry at it. I open the door, you walk out, and then run back in. Want to make up your mind, Gambit?
You idiots! There will be a king! I will be king. Must eat the fish. Must attack and harvest. Must eat the food.
A wild void has appeared. Must be nice, Gambit, just to be able to sleep all day whenever you want to.
Cat nap.